In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show edit history in Google Sheets. This feature can be extremely useful if you need to track changes or understand the evolution of your spreadsheet over time. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Google Sheets document where you want to review the edit history. Once you've got your Google Sheet open, look towards the upper left corner of your screen for the File tab. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu, and you'll want to glide down to the option called Version History. When you hover over this, you'll see a submenu appear. Then, within that submenu, simply select See Version History. Once you've clicked See Version History, a panel will open up on the right side of your screen. This panel is your gateway to the past. Here, you'll see a list of all the different versions of your sheet, along with information about who made each edit and when it occurred. This is particularly helpful if you're working collaboratively, as it allows you to pinpoint how contributions have been made by each team member. Now, let's say you're interested in a specific cell's edit history within your sheet. To do this, click on the cell you're curious about. Once selected, right-click on that cell. From the context menu that appears, choose Show Edit History. This will give you a more focused examination of that specific cell, detailing all the changes it has undergone. A window will then pop up, offering you a detailed record of each edit made to this selected cell. The edit history will include not just changes in values or formulas, but also the name of the person who made those changes and the exact timestamp of when each adjustment was made. This level of detail can be fantastic for uncovering and resolving any potential errors or inconsistencies in your work. And there you have it. You now know how to access the edit history in Google Sheets for both the entire document and individual cells. Whether you are looking to track project progress, resolve misunderstandings, or simply want to understand how your Google Sheet has evolved, this feature is a powerful tool at your disposal. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, being able to track changes can save you a lot of time and effort, and bring clarity to your collaborative process. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips like these. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.